may have some compost or raised bed mix like we have here. We purposely over-ordered in order to make sure we had ample amount. This will be used in years to come, but for right now it's sitting partially in the shade under the maple tree with a lot of morning sun and some afternoon sun, and as the Jerusalem artichokes get taller, we'll shade most of that out. But we're going to utilize this and try an experiment. We're going to take some sweet meat winter squash and plant in our compost pile here. If it produces great, wonderful. If it does okay, that's good too. But it's an experiment to utilize the space that we have with good compost rather than just letting it sit here for the year until we need it next spring. When utilizing every space of your garden, if done correctly, you can get a bonus harvest. What we have here is sweet meat pumpkins, and we planted them in our excess leftover compost pile when we had soil brought in from our raised beds. Now they didn't get full sized, but they are decent size. We're getting cold, frost is coming, and they'll make good, a good little meal. These are typically, 10, 15, 20 pounds, but sweet meat pumpkins, I'm just going to harvest them. That one's probably a pound. This one, maybe 2 pounds. Bake them up, and you got a nice little soup there. They're very thick wall, orange flesh inside, and they're a great, tasty pumpkin if you're looking for something to grow.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.